In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to create this design and the transitions. Let's open up a page. Click the background and make it black. Go to text and click Add a heading. Type Make. We'll change the font. Go to the fonts and we'll choose Horizon. Pull the corners to enlarge it. Next, go to Elements, and from the shapes, let's click the square. Adjust the shape to cover the bottom half. Go up to Share and download it as PNG. Next, let's duplicate the shape and place the duplicated one to align it. This makes it easier for us. Delete the bottom one. Let's download this one as a PNG as well. Next, upload both onto Canva. Place the bottom half and the top half on the page as seen. We will then duplicate this page. Next, shift the top half of it a little and do the same for the bottom half. Click the transition button and then choose Match and Move. We shall leave it as 0.5. Click on the text and type It Happen. Adjust the font style and the size. You can either pull the corners to enlarge the text, or you can go up to the size and click on the plus sign until you get the size you want. Center it, click on it and go up to Animate. You can choose how you want the text to appear. We will choose Stomp. We will duplicate the second slide. Now we will work on the third slide. Now let's go up and type in basketball shot silhouette. Let's choose this. Change the color to red. Adjust the size and position. Next, let's look for a basketball hoop. Click it, and you can choose where you'd like to place it. Let's bring it near the image of the basketball to size it correctly. Next, adjust both the images. Click on the text box corner and decrease it to make it smaller. Adjust it. We will then click on the basketball player's image and go up to Animate. You can choose the effect you would like to have. In this case, let's choose Baseline. We can see how the effect is before we choose the one we like. Let's go to the Transitions button and choose Match and Move for this slide. Let's now check it out. If you liked this tutorial, please do like, share, and subscribe for more animation tutorials.